So this is 1-7 at Georgetown. It's not as short as it looks. It's a county airport.
3,000 feet.
3,000 feet, yeah. Enough room to squeeze this cub in.
Hopefully.
Yeah. That's alright, it makes it even better.
Looks like
I dropped the camera.
It wasn't that
rough.
So here we are at Georgetown. It's in one of these hangars. Let's go through here and have a look. Got the door open. This plane's already advertised on my website, but I'm just picking it up. There she is, 172. The owners have moved away and just left it here. I'm picking it up to sell it. So I've got the combination and the logbooks and the keys. It's a good plane. It's just got some paint on the top of the cowling, wings and the fuselage that have been sun-baked. But other than that, it's still a 172. I'm going to open the hangar and pull her out. Well, that was a fight. These doors on these rails, binding at both ends. Terrible, terrible door. Anyway, I got it out. Let's go and have a look. So 72, 172, mid-time engine, scruffy paint, dirty on top. But, you know, paint doesn't make them fly, and it's a Lycoming powered plane, which people like. Pretty good panel. I've already got the logbooks. Let's get in it and take it to Placerville. Never trust a fuel gauge, especially on a plane you've never flown before. So I will take this over to the gas pumps. Let's see if she starts. Clear. There she goes. And we have oil pressure. Check the fuel. It's got an annual and it's got oil. And everything's on it where it should be. But let's see if she's got gas. It's dirty up here. It's not so much the paint. Well, there's paint peeling. Anyway. Yeah. Holds 21 on that side and it's got about 5 in it. Same. Okay. I'm going to squirt a little bit of fuel in it. 5 aside, give it 10 aside, 20. Good safety margin.
It's a small airport without a lot of taxiways, or any. We have to back taxi the end of 17 before we land in the Cub and then take off going south. So here we are, back taxi to the run-up area where I'll give it a bit of a run-up and check everything out before heading back.
Made it back to Placerville. Here we are. Here's the plane on the tie downs, and there is the hangar and the office. So next I will take it to the wash rack, wash it, re-photograph it and put it on the website.